Hello and good morning. This is the final bathroom reveal party. What do you think?
Of the bathroom?
Yep.
It's amazing.
What's your favorite part?
That it's bigger. And I like the black cabinets a lot. And it just feels happier in there.
Thanks. So, we have the extension here on the room coming in to the room. So when you walk in, you have a little wall, and then you have the door here. That way. Before we jump into the full reveal, let's take a look back at what we started with. When you walked in, it was a square/rectangle room. It was super tiny in the bathroom with this brown vanity. Super small, messy, cluttered, so we extended it about 3 by 7 feet. We removed the flooring that I had put in for my master renovation, and then framed out the walls, did the sheetrock, did the mudding, did some electrical for switches, and did some singing.
Hello, is it me you're looking for?
Okay, I'm not lying out, but I did remove this load-bearing wall, put some more support in, so I did it safely, and then, oh wait, hold up one sec.
Wide open spaces.
Alright, there's no more singing in this video. So I continued on with the floor, evening it out, putting a mud bed, and then putting on this penny tile, which if you watch further in the video, I'll tell you what went wrong with it. Then I painted it the rest of the bedroom color, as well as painting on the inside. Alrighty, let's jump into the reveal. So let's go in. I'm gonna close it so they don't bother them. Okay, so when you walk into the bathroom, this is what you see. You walk in, you got the towel rack. There was no really good place to put it besides here, even though I feel like it's kind of weird to put towels above the toilet, and you got the stink coming up. But a lot of people do it. And we have some greenery added. Got the, I forgot what these are called. There's like 100 names for them. And then we got this palm from Home Depot, which it needs to be watered. But this is already a new branch that's come in. And we have the oils, mirror with the white sinks. These are from Kraus. These, I can't remember where they're from. You got the, the push. You got the working sink. And this is, I use this for another project in my old house. This sink, I really like it because it's only a couple inches tall. And then it sits only a few inches below. Well, maybe like 5 or 6 below. So it's not sitting up super high, so you have to be really tall to get into it, but this has that same kind of feel as those big bowls, but they're much better, I think. And this countertop is from IKEA. It's a little dirty, I don't know if you can see from the camera. IKEA, rather cheap. I bought 2 countertops to fit the whole span of this room, which is about, how big is it? 10 feet maybe? Maybe a little bit less. So I had to buy 2 of them, cut them to size, put them on. That's about it. It was super easy to put in. And then we have the double vanity. And you can watch the breakdown of these videos in the playlist of all the videos, whether it be the tiling, the vanity, what else did I do? Oh, the wall extension, and so on. So go check that out. We have 2 drawers that open up here for stuff. It's not very organized, but that's right. And then we have the drawers down here. And another door here, and then we come over here to my side, and we have a door here. There's a thing in there, and then here's some drawers. So I got these from build.com, the handles, the knobs, and I'll probably put a link in the description as well for that. So I guess the big thing in here is the shower, and the shower was already in here, and we did not touch it. I did think about redoing the tile, and we might still redo the tile. I'll get to that in a second. But the shower is pretty good. It has the marbly-ish tile. And so we went with this similar top from IKEA that had that same marbly effect. So that's good. But the tile is that penny tile. And if you can tell, it's dirty. And I literally just cleaned this. I need to take like a super tile cleaner to clean it off. Maybe redo the grout. But the flooring in here just not very good. So if you watched my other tile video, I redid this here for the extension of the bathroom, and this right here is lower than this right here where the old bathroom used to be. Well, I guess it still is, but I tried to do a slope up from our bedroom up into the shower, and it didn't turn out very great. The tile is different. There's two different kinds of tile due to Home Depot not giving me the right package, even though on the package it said the exact same and it looked the same, and then I installed it and then it wasn't the same. And then the grout is different, probably because the old one is old and dirty. It needs to be cleaned. There are a few problems there that I'm not happy with, but for now it's okay. We'll see what we want to do in the future when we sell this house. Let me know in the comments what you would do. Is it worth redoing the whole bathroom floor, or should I just clean it, re-grout it, whatever? Let me know in the comments. Next up, we have these shelves that I did. These are just regular built-in shelves with some trim wood and then some plywood for the shelves, and those are super easy to do. And then we're supposed to have our laundry basket under here. It's currently in the bedroom. I think my wife was doing it. So we have these shelves with stuff. Always gotta have stuff on them. And here's my stuff from my sleeping and some hoodies. But that is supposed to be in the closet. With that being said, light fixtures. We added 2 new light fixtures. And then 1 down there. And so I did the electrical for these, the fan, the top light, and this light. I do think I'm going to move this light right here up and over, because when I'm doing my contacts I hit it sometimes. So it's not in the best spot. It's not in the best spot, and I also didn't install it the best because I cut the hole too big for the light thing. So I might move that. So that's problem number 2. The other problem, which I didn't mention earlier, is the vanity top. And here, I'll just show you. So the vanity has this gap here, which is okay, but then there's here where I cut it not very good. And so I was looking at some tile samples to put up a backsplash here, but I might go ahead and just caulk that and then see how it looks. If not, I'll get a backsplash and do that. But also let me know in the comments what you think about that. The other problem is my drywall skills. And so if you can see here, you can see where the corner is it's not flush here, it's sticking out still. And you can see here where it's a little bit rough, a little bit wavy. And then you can definitely see here where the drywall comes together. And I didn't do this very good. And so this plate is sticking up just a tad. Right here and right here. So my plan is to actually finish that off, take off the plate, redo it, sand it, retexture it, make it look professional, because right now it doesn't, but it's not that big of a problem. I just need to redo it, make it better. And so those are a few issues with this build, with this DIY build. But beside that, I think it turned out really great. The space in here feels much better. It's much bigger. I only added on 3 by like 7, so 21 square feet. 21 square feet? I don't even know if that's how you say it. 21 foot squared. Anyway, 21 square feet added, but it makes the space feel way better. It's still not huge, but it's perfect for this little house. And so that's cool. Let's jump into the cost breakdown of this project. I thought it might be helpful for y'all. So with construction costs, that's paint, plumbing, sheetrock, electrical, flooring, it's about $15.49. For the pretty stuff, the lights, the mirror, sinks, faucets, towel racks, fixtures, that's $104, $295, $989, and $132. And I did go a little bit pricier with some of this stuff because, you know, a nice fancy bathroom mirror is always nice for the next buyers. Continuing on, we have the vanity, and then the countertops are about $260, the plywood $174, and the hinges slash sides were about $60. And so that comes out to a total of about $3,567, which is more than I planned on, about $500 to $1,000 more. And so that's what you get when you get some of the higher price materials, and I'm happy with it. If you want to see any of the breakdowns of this whole project, once again, check out the playlist, and go check out another video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And I thank y'all for watching and being here. I'll see y'all out there, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Okay, see you later.